Hi, third graders. For your PBL today, you will be working with a book called The Child of the Civil Rights Movement. So to activate your prior knowledge, I would like to ask you two questions. What do you know about the civil rights movement? And what do you know about the Jim Crow laws? And it's okay if you don't know anything. That was step one. Step two, you are going to go to your independent task page and you're going to click on the read aloud. The read aloud will pull up a YouTube video for you to watch and to listen to. Okay? After you watch that, then you will be working on reading an article about Marley Diaz. She's a young woman who wanted to see more Black women as protagonists as she launched Pound 1000 Black Girl Books, a social media campaign to collect and distribute 1,000 books with Black girl protagonists. She has also written her own book. Okay, so not only are you going to watch a video about a read aloud, but you're also going to read an article. And I have the article here. You can see the article, but I have it linked on your independent task page as well. Then step 4, you're going to go to Class Kick. There is a Venn diagram for you to compare and contrast the issues during the civil rights movement. So you're going to be comparing them from the information from the book, so the read aloud that you listened to, and the article that you read. Okay? And then you're watching this instructional video now, because after you've done all of those steps, your final product is to start making a change. Now there are many options that you can choose to do, and maybe the option that you want to do is not listed, and that is okay. But these are some options that you may do. You can create a poster or a sign that you may want to take to an actual protest. You may write a letter to someone who can make a change. So think about the president or the mayor, those types of people. You may want to make a change just in our elementary school. So you could write it to our principal, the superintendent, the board of education. You may want to make a change in the country. So that would be where the principal and the mayor and those types of people come in. You could write an article. You could record a news story on Flipgrid and actually want to send it to the local news station. You could create a YouTube video that you could actually post and share on social media. You could also conduct an interview. Okay, you can interview your parents about the matter. You can interview your grandparents who may know more information about this. It's completely up to you. Now, if something is not listed here that you want to do, that is okay. You can still do it. Okay, but once you make your final project, I actually want you to get on Flipgrid to share it so we all can see what your final project would be. So all of these things, once again, are linked into your independent task page. All right, boys and girls, enjoy your PBL for this Friday.